This mistake ruins tile installs, even when everything looks fine at first. After 35 years in tile and stone, I've seen the same problems destroy otherwise beautiful remodels. And the issue usually isn't the tile itself. It's what happens before the first tile is ever set. The most common failure starts with surface preparation. If the substrate isn't flat, clean, and properly prepared, tile can't bond the way it's supposed to. That leads to cracks, hollow spots, and loose tiles that show up months later. A lot of homeowners are told leveling clips will fix uneven floors. They won't. Clips help align tile. They do not correct bad prep. If the foundation is wrong, the tile will eventually fail. Another major issue is using the wrong adhesive. Thinset isn't universal. Tile size, weight, and substrate conditions all matter. Large format tile often requires medium bed mortar to prevent sagging and ensure proper coverage. Skipping back buttering or using the wrong trowel size reduces mortar contact. That weak bond isn't visible on day one, but it shows up later as cracking or debonding. Grout and sealing mistakes are just as common. Grout protects against moisture, but when it's applied incorrectly or not sealed, water intrusion and mold become real risks, especially in wet areas. Layout planning is another overlooked step. Poor layout leads to awkward cuts, wasted material, and stress points that increase the chance of failure. A dry layout before installation helps identify problems early, when they're still easy to fix. Movement joints are critical too. Tile expands and contracts. Without proper accommodation, pressure builds up, and when it releases, tile cracks or comes loose. Industry standards exist to prevent these exact problems. Organizations like the NTCA outline best practices for preparation, coverage, layout, and movement. When those standards are ignored, failure is built into the job from the start. A good-looking tile job can still be a bad install. The mistake isn't the tile, it's what no one checks before tile is set. That's why I help homeowners understand how to evaluate tile work before problems appear, so costly mistakes can be avoided instead of repaired. Independent build risk review is in the link below.